Today we'd like to introduce Chef Cody. Chef Cody is going to show us a recipe he got from his great-grandfather, Pa, Senor Ricardo Salsa. The ingredients you will need are a 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes, 1 shallot, 1 stalk of celery, green chilies, salt, jalapenos, and green onions. Chef Cody does a coarse chop on the shallots and celery. He puts them in the food processor. He makes sure they all went in. Chef Cody takes the can of tomatoes and adds them. Add a little salt to taste. Time for a quick high five with Dad. Chef takes a quick look to make sure it's perfect. Add a 4-ounce can of green chilies. Next, about a half a can, 2 ounces of jalapenos. If you want it real spicy, add the whole can.
There's more.
Chef Cody, with a little help from his dad, blends the ingredients. Chef Cody gets a little excited when he cooks. They pour it into a container. He grabs the green onions and adds to the mix. Chef Cody wants to get all of them. Whoops, one stuck on his hand. Don't leave any. A quick stir and time to taste, but Dad spoiled his fun. Chef Cody's mom said it was fantastic. We'd like to thank Chef Cody for sharing his great-grandpa's recipe with us today. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.